Hello, so I'm going to give you a little overview of what our Moodle show looks like and then go into what's going to be due the first week. We'll have one of these sort of intro videos pretty much every week to help you kind of know what we're thinking about and what's going to be due. So first of all, welcome to the course. This is always a really fun course to get people thinking about what teaching and learning in their discipline looks like, and I'm excited that you're here. You're going to first see the announcements. We'll sometimes place things in the announcements. We'll often use the quick mail, but we'll want to make sure that we're communicating. So if you haven't been hearing from us, let us know. A lot of times, you know, your email might think that things coming from a learning management system are spam. Those are things we want to check. So if you're not hearing from us, let us know. Here you're going to find the syllabus. And if you click on this video, it's going to be me talking you through the syllabus, letting you know all the good things about grades and what's due and late policies and all of that. Below there, you're going to find our discussion forum grading rubric. This is how we're going to be grading all the discussion posts. You can go ahead and have a look and see what that is going to be about. As I said in the syllabus video, late posts will lose points. Why? We need this course to be interactive, of you sharing ideas. And if you post late, you can only react to your peers. You can't have an interactive discussion. And they miss out on hearing all the good things that you have to say. So we really need to make sure that people post on time. All right, right below this are some Moodle resources. If you are really comfortable with resources, you can ignore these. But if this is one of your first times you've done an online class, you can look at how to post a discussion and how to upload an assignment. Each week, you can toggle open the week. So if I toggle open week 1, there it is. If I'm sick of week 1, I can close it back up. So let's go ahead and see what is under week 1. So each week will be laid out pretty much the same. You're going to see what your to-do list is. So here's what you want to do by the 20th. Here's what needs to be done by the 24th. This video that you're watching is right here. It was also emailed to you, obviously, because you have it. Each week we'll also have the student learning outcomes. What are our hopes that you're going to be able to learn and understand by the end of this unit? All right, so let's go ahead and talk about these 2 assignments that are going to be due. So usually you'll do your initial postings on Fridays, and you're going to see that you have 2 things that are due on Friday, and then you're going to do responses are going to be due on Tuesdays. So what do you need to do for this coming Friday? First of all, you're going to watch this video. You're doing it right now. See, you're already ahead of the game. And then any questions you have, you're going to email Dr. Sabella and myself. Then you're going to go ahead and introduce yourself on the Flipgrid. We'll talk about that in a second. And you're going to respond to the reflection on teaching questions. So let's go look at those. All right. So here is the Flip introductions. Since we're going to be doing mostly online, we want to be able to introduce ourselves, who's in this class. And it's nicer with video so we can connect words with people. So you're going to follow this link. And if you click on that, it's going to take you here. And you're going to see that our first flip is introductions, and so I'm going to click on the introductions. And here are the questions that you're going to answer in this flip. You're going to answer what's your name, what's your field of study at CSU, what you're looking forward to learning in this course, if you have any questions or concerns about participating in an online learning space, and then what's something you are proud of. It could be something academic, it could be a hobby, it could be a skill, whatever. What's something that you're proud of? And then you're just going to click this add to topic, and it'll be a video of that. You'll have up to 10 minutes. You don't need to talk that long, but you'll have up to 10 minutes to discuss. So if you look down here right now, here's my video, and you can watch that. You can also click on it and then respond to it, and we'll talk about that in just a second. So here's where you're going to put your first flip video. All right, so let's go back to the course. So that's the first thing that's due on Friday. Introduce yourself. What is the second thing that's due on Friday? Here is a discussion board. You don't need to do any background reading on this. All you're doing is reflecting on your own experience. So here are a set of 6 questions. You only need to answer 3 or more of them. So you pick whichever 3 speak to you that you want to report on. And then you'll just click on the discussion, add a new discussion topic, and you'll be able to start your typing. Okay. Now, if you have any questions about how to do any of that, the discussion board pointers were up here under the Moodle resources. The flip resources are right here. There's a short example, there's a longer example. If you're the type of person who just likes to mess with technology and figure it out, you're happy to do that too. But those are some resources if you're unsure. All right, so let's look back at what is due on Friday. You watched the video, you did your flip introduction, you did your first discussion post. Awesome. Okay, so then what's going to be due next January 24th? That's next Tuesday. You're going to go into flip and respond to 2 classmates. And you're going to go into the discussion forum and respond to 2 classmates. One of the things you want to make sure that you do in a response is when you respond to a peer, respond to their ideas. Do not just write, I agree, great post. If you agree, why do you agree? Have you had a similar experience? Explain. If you disagree, why do you disagree? So you want to really kind of engage and make it a discussion. All right. So if we look back at what's due, we watched the video, we did the flip, we did the discussion post, we responded to 2 flips, replied to 2 discussion posts. Our next unit of material, Dr. Sabella and I will be posting new units on Mondays. So you'll see what's going to be due, but you're still going to go ahead and do those postings on Tuesday. All right. If you have questions, comments, concerns, please, please, please reach out to us. We want to engage with you. Talk to Dr. Sabella, talk to me, talk to Daisy, and we're looking forward to getting to know you better. All right. Welcome to Learning the Disciplines.